Myntri Jyotiraditya Sindhya, Badipej Yakatanat Ministry Development of Northeastern Region. Habakren hajingalang hasora banbu yung monorim jongga scheme for integrated development of Sora tourism circuit ulong ba Lada kwah bani yaka bneng hagane ka pyrthei wan sha Meghalaya. Hagane ka jingkren pajba loong baka kantin bomla kamdan haga dictionary namar konrat sangma barka kanhun jongki menteri sarkar kilon ke batrai stom ban penyo e kampen roy hagane ke jela Meghalaya barusngeu sarong ba kidon ke juk kerkom perkhat dei ke jingtrai stom menteri rang ba ke jela menteri katnat jungokai pyrthei ke officer jong katnat donor ke bala trai stom knab nailenter salak ban penulong yagane ka scheme lomba ka PM divine scheme kabala kot syaka arspa life klur tengka habede berkami mariang loong bakum ki briu ki bayat hagane slakendeu ngidei baniada ban burom meka ban pendek pensa kum bagalong menta nagamenta ki pateng ki banangwan kajinglong kame mariang kum ba phi syamenta aiba ki pateng banwan kinyo lang yagane ka ju kumba kalong menta lethu habede berkaling sun hamroi loong ba menteri rang ba kejela ularung hakamra jungu bat loong kwah ban tip hendai kwah ban ba kiling sun gi bahe kin hiar hamroi habede berkaling sun hamroi loong ba menteri rang ba kejela ukonrat ulawan hakam rajung bat ulaong ba kwah ban tip henrei kwah ban baki lengsun gi bahe kin hiar hamroi bat don kam bandon ya kamadan ban mare hado arajar sauspa mitar nagalyang jong haba jubab ya gane jingkran jong menteri rang ba ulaong ai ya jaka bat katnat ministry civil aviation kan bay tengka bat menta kan ya gijing tray kala dangyat syakmat berluong balamba kane ka pyrthei kan sawan syagane ke jela Meghalaya.
So when I stand before you here today, in this mystical land, I really believe, Brother Conrad, that if you really want to see heaven on earth, come to Meghalaya. It is not for no reason that we call this land the abode of the clouds. Banged on my door and he broke my door down. We need a real loud round of applause for Conrad Sangma. Now you ask me why I'm asking you to applause. Because he said, Sindhya ji, mujhe nahi malum, I don't know. But I need an extension of my Umroi airport. Right now only small ATRs can land. I want Boeing and I want Airbus. 2,400 meter airport you have to give me and you have to fund it. I said, brother, I stand with you. You give me the land, I will have it funded from Civil Aviation Ministry and we will build the Umroi airport. And I'm glad today that project is seeing the light of day. Now think about it, one airport, but it will bring the world to Meghalaya. It will bring the world to Shillong. It will bring the world to Sora. It will bring the world to Doki. It will bring the world to Rangthaland to see the living root bridges. Let the world partake in the blessings of Mother Nature that Meghalaya has to offer. For whom the word impossible, the word no, the word cannot be done, does not exist in his lexicon, doesn't exist in his dictionary. when he puts his mind and heart to it, for Conrad Sangma, his team, and for the people of Meghalaya, he is your torchbearer. He is your champion who will make development and progress a reality in Meghalaya. And I'm very proud, and I'm saying this openly on this munch, I'm very proud to have a partner in him. I'm very proud to have a brother in him. We think alike. We work alike. We are dedicated alike. And the one thing that binds us in common is both of us don't know how to operate from here. We only operate from here. And therefore this tourism project, it is not something that some bureaucrats have put together and brought to you on the stage. Your Chief Minister and his whole team, the Tourism Minister, the Tourism Secretary, the team at Donor, have worked painstakingly. It has taken us 9 months. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't exaggerate all of those ingredients in this land. When we talk about our living root bridges, in modern parlance, when we are talking about AI, when we are talking about Internet of Things, we're talking about ML, machine learning. These living root bridges teach us that even today, in our land, it is only the true engineering which is patience woven with purpose over hundreds of years. Today I had the good fortune of visiting Rangthalian living root bridges. And I said that in a brief comment that I made there. Mother Earth has protected us. Mother Earth has nurtured us. Mother Earth has bound herself together in knots to ensure that one human from one end of a cliff can cross through living root bridges made by her to connect with another human at the other end of another mountain.
Menteri rang ba jela Konrad ka sangma lapan pau sungu ka bakrau yo menteri ka sarkar pedeng Jyotiraditya Sindhya badai lamba ka jasbon mesim ka jong melala ban penulang ban penyo ya ne ka skim kabla bo monorim menta ka sngi hasora bargane ka skim ka benengong hakari barok hawai na kalyang jom menteri rang ba lapan pau ka sungu haga kerteng jong ipai ba ka jela Meghalaya hak be de bargane ka skim kabla bo monorim menta ka sngi
because of the blessings and the kindness and the large heart of our Honorable Minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Sindhya. I would request all the people present here, let us give him a round of applause. Friends, let me tell you, this project that has been seen as development of one destination. It's a vision of the Honorable Minister, it's the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. But this vision is fructifying, and the first project of that larger vision to develop one destination in every state in a very, very organized manner, from the minute details that are there. It is happening for the first time in the entire country. The first project has been taken up right here in Sora, in our state of Meghalaya. We are very lucky. We are very lucky to have a minister who understands, who cares, and who has a heart to give this project. Sir, on behalf of the people of the state, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and let me assure you that we will not let you down. This project is going to be one of the landmark projects for us, a game changer, I should say, for the people of Sora as well as the whole state of Meghalaya. There are many things happening in tourism, and we will see that in the next many years, many months to come, a lot of the projects are finally fructifying. The number of tourists coming into Meghalaya is increasing, but we would like to see that we'll be able to increase and overall improve the kind of spending capacity that tourists have in the days to come. We would like to
Hagani kasngi nalor menteri rangba kejela konrak sangma ladon kiwei ki menteri sarkar ki bagentuk yau Timothy Disira ba sanbor shulai ba welat miki shula UMLA ke shela uba balajit kupar sunrem UMLA ka Sora uba Kevin M Melimngap Chief Secretary ke jela kiwei ki officer ka sarkar jela UMDC ka Sora uba Tatos Tarwal Khan bat kiwei ki rangba jongathan kle dan lang pansakhi yakne kasngi